Now, let's start some queries. All right, let's start asking some questions. We want to explore value. This table is for, let me just display it first before we proceed. This table gives us the performance of machine learning models. All right, so one of the things that you can do is to get the maximum value. All right, okay, you have your values. You want to see what is the maximum value. Okay, we have all these metrics and all these scores. So what's the maximum value? You can just say df.max like this. All right, so this will give you a value. All right, so df.max. Now the df.max here will give you the maximum values for the columns. All right, so to give the maximum value for the column. So there's a column wise computation. So you have model. Give us this, but of course, model is not a number. So we also have accuracy. Accuracy is 0.7807. You can just check from here manually. You see it here. Okay. And then you also have the rest. So we have the metrics, all of them, and their respective maximum values.